Donovan Green, captain of Gifted. Donovan, tell us, how was it for you today?
Well, it was a wonderful fight, you know, like, you know, hard fight, but you know, we overcome it, you know, do the right thing to do.
Where's your boat from? Is it from Portland or somewhere else?
Portmore, Paja Beach.
Paja Beach. And you have been involved in a lot of tournaments and things like that.
Yeah.
What was it like for you traveling over to Portland for this Canoe tournament?
Well, enjoy, you know, driving nice upon them, you know. Full drive yourself and come and do the right thing. Come, your body, you know, I don't know, the body come full, you know. I don't know anybody I win, you know, but I'll go with the prize.
Yeah, you landed at 242.8 pounds,
Yeah.
Marley. How was the catch? What was it like getting that Marley?
I have no fingers against my finger, mash up on something against it. Yeah, whole heap of fighting, or 15 minutes of fighting or more.
You got the first prize plus an engine. How do you feel about getting this engine?
I know, so really and truly, I'm surprised about the engine, because I never expect the engine. Yeah, when they say about engine, I say, oh, engine, greatness. I never expect the engine, really and truly.
So what would you say about this Canoe tournament?
Yeah, this tournament, I get nicer and nicer back. One time I get shaky down back in the bottle. I build up back right now, go me see. Yeah, I build up back.
How long since you have been involved in this tournament?
7 years and more.
And the first time winning something?
No, second time.
Second time. Which year you won?
Going with She's Royal already.
Yes.
2018.
Yes.
Come back and win with my boat now, Gifted.
All right. Thank you very much, Donovan, being an audience.